Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So we're here today with another great Cricut craft. So today we're going to use our Easy Press along with the Infusible Ink pens and the ceramic coasters to make a cute coaster gift with snowflakes on it. So the images I'm using for the coasters as well as the fun gift tag are part of the digital mystery box this month. So you can find a link for the mystery box itself in the description below. So that is an affiliate link, and the digital mystery box, if you've never purchased one, is full of all kinds of digital files that you can use with your Cricut machine. You pay the one budget price and you get all the digital images and the fonts in the digital mystery box forever. So it's a really great deal. So if you're looking for some great files for all of your crafts for the holidays and all through the winter, then this mystery box is definitely for you. So let's get started making our coaster gift first, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what's in the mystery box. To make this project, you will need your ceramic coaster blanks. Now I'm going to use the Cricut brand. You will need some kind of sublimation blank. So don't think you can just pick up some ceramic tile from the home improvement store. It needs to have a sublimation coating over it. Then these are the Infusible Ink pens we're going to use. So this is the new colors on the Infusible Ink pens, and we're going to use the two blues out of this. Butcher paper, white cardstock, your Easy Press, as well as your Easy Press mat, some heat resistant tape, and a lint-free cloth. The first thing we did was to take the Infusible Ink pens to our Cricut machine and make our snowflake designs. Now the cut file for this will be available on thecountrysheetcottage.net, and I will drop a link in the description below where you can access the file. All four of my snowflakes are drawn on regular copy paper. The copy paper does need to be rated for a laser printer so it can handle the heat that we're about to apply. I also have my Easy Press heating up, and you'll want to head to the Cricut Heat Guide and get the latest and greatest time and temperature. But these coasters do require 400 degrees and a really long time, so you'll definitely want to use the Easy Press for this. And then we're just going to cut around the snowflake designs as close as we can. So then you want to open your package of coasters. Now the shiny side is face up, and then there's a matte side, and that will be the bottom. You want to be sure to clean each coaster with a lint-free cloth before beginning. Then you want to take your snowflake drawing and turn it upside down. So the actual portion of the sheet where the pen drew the snowflake should be against the shiny side of the coaster. And then we have the heat resistant tape, and we're going to tape it down really, really well. So what you want to do, if you can, is avoid any areas where there's writing. So I'm going to go in between the snowflake areas, and you want to make sure this is taped down really well and that it's really tight onto the surface of the coaster. And then we'll just need to repeat with the rest of our coasters. Then once you have the design on all four of your coasters, you want to take your Easy Press mat, put down a piece of white cardstock, and then turn the coasters upside down so the part that you just covered with the design will be down. And we're going to press all four of these at once. So I'm going to press them, put them close together, and they're all face down. And then I'm going to cover with a piece of butcher paper. And then I'm going to put the Easy Press on top of them, making sure it's covering the entire coaster. Press the start button, and then I just take my hands away and let it count down the time at the right temperature. When it's done, the beep will sound, and then you just lift the press, move it over, remove the butcher paper. Now we're going to need to let these cool completely. This will take like 15-20 minutes. Because right now they're so hot they will burn you. So I'm going to come back in about 15 minutes and we'll see if they're cool enough to take the paper off. So So now that these have cooled completely, we can remove the paper to reveal our design. You can see the gorgeous snowflake that's on our coasters. Now these are ready for use. You don't have to do anything else to the top. It's completely sealed and ready for use. And we are going to stack them up and make them a gift idea. Now you can put something on the bottom of these if you wish. So I would suggest something like some felt circles or something like that to keep them from slipping on your table. So I also made a gift tag to go along with these. So the files for this, as well as the gift tag, are part of the mystery box that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to stack the coasters up and then tie them together with some twine. Then you can just thread through the gift tag. And tie that in a bow. And you have a cute gift idea ready for the holidays. So I hope y'all enjoyed that project. So in the mystery box, you get 5 full design sets. So it's kind of like the cartridges back when Cricut took cartridges. So 5 full design sets plus like 9 fonts that you can use over and over and over again. So the fonts, of course, would be not seasonal, and then the design sets are more of like a winter type seasonal thing, but definitely some different things like the tag that you could use over and over and over again no matter what the season is. So if you want to take a look at the mystery box, see what a good deal it is, be sure to head to the description below, click on the mystery box link, check out everything that's included, see if it might be a good idea for something that you would need. And you can make these coasters and the tag regardless. So even if the mystery box has expired, because it does expire, so you need to hurry if you want it, even if it's expired, you can click on the link in the description for this video and it will take you to thecountrysheetcottage.net where you will find the cut file for this project alone. So you can just make these and just purchase the files for just the tag and the snowflake itself. Now, one thing I need to mention. The mystery box is available until December 5th. So from now until December 5th, you can get the mystery box and you can make this project. After December 5th, these images won't be available on Cricut Design Space until the 21st of December. So if you think this is a great project idea for someone on your gift giving list, you'll definitely have to get the mystery box, or you'll have to make it between the 21st and the 24th of December. So it only gives you a couple, like 3-4 days to make it before you actually need to give it for Christmas. So I just wanted to mention that just in case you're looking for the files for this and can't find them. That's why, because you'll definitely need the mystery box to do that between now and December 5th, and then after that it'll be the 21st of December before you can make this project. So hopefully you enjoyed this project. Hopefully you learned a little bit about making the ceramic coasters with Infusible Ink. If you have any questions about anything we've done today, please ask them in the comment section below. Questions about the mystery box, ask away. If you love this video, love this project, give us a thumbs up on YouTube. Be sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe as well, because you don't want to miss any of our Cricut crafts. We have them every week, so I'm always coming up with something creative with my Cricut machine, and I don't want you to miss any of it. So thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.